So, you have a problem and you are feeling not very good about it. The feeling is obvious. Maybe it's a bit hard to pinpoint it, but the uncomfortable emotions seems real. The diffuse feeling often is not so clear, but a lot of thinking gives you enough to talk about when you like to explain the problem. There seems to be a connection between what you think is real and what you are feeling. Mostly, this connection is observed when you explain to others what exactly is happening. These descriptions give you a kind of release, a catharsis, so to say, while you share your discomfort with others. I would like to invite you to recognize the underlying structure of the perceived dilemma and maybe give you some perspective of how to change the state in which you seem to be stuck into a better one. Many like to categorize feelings from low to high, or the other way around, from bliss downright to depression. A synonym for the feeling could be the frequency in which you vibe. Maybe you are happy on a high frequency or angry on a low vibe. These vibrations can be infectious, to the point where people avoid you like dark clouds, or like to join you because you are so much fun. The moment you bring awareness to your feelings, you create the ability to change them into something better. There is a catch. When you are depressed, it's quite difficult to jump to happiness straight away. The stretch is too far. That's why you found this video, which pretends to help you understand the vibrational frequency of emotions and make real progress from low vibes to high vibes. It might give you the tools to improve your feelings step by step. For a start, it is very important to accept the actual feeling or state in which you are. If you are experiencing fear or desperation, just let it be as is. The best tools are mindfulness, meditation, or affirmations to go from one state to the next. With those tools, you distance yourself from your feeling by accepting it. And you can use the power of observation without judgment to create a space between you and your life circumstances. From powerlessness, you can observe yourself and rise to the awareness of feeling unworthy, guilty, or insecure. Although this seems not much of an improvement, please keep listening. The important step you made is a shift of your frequency from lower to a higher vibration. That is the goal. The shift might be just the kick you need to bring some light onto the underlying judgment you are exercising about yourself. From there, it is easy to get to the point to blame someone or some circumstances for your feeling. You can experience hate. You might understand that you are jealous and have ideas how to take action for revenge. Okay, you are still not happy, but you are rising your vibration. That is the way. Your anger can now convert into discouragement. You might want to blame others, and eventually this converts into worrying. Once you worry, it's a small step to observe doubt. You might want to question yourself. and how things really are. Now, you can reach a state of disappointment about the world or whatever. Still, you are on a quite low vibration. You have to surrender to being overwhelmed. Accept feelings of frustration or being irritated. Be aware that you might then experience some impatience. Eventually, all those effortless steps through these negative states have you reach a pessimistic level, and you might be on a breakthrough once you reach a feeling of boredom. From there, it is quite easy to jump to a state of contentment. You accept that you are bored, but you do not care, and even feel relieved that there are no negative thoughts making you feel uncomfortable. Now you add the possibility of hopefulness into the equation. You can imagine good things to happen. Your emotional frequency is rising and rising. Once you have hope, optimism is very close. Your expectations are rising. You start to believe in yourself and that good things can happen in life. Then it is easy to create some excitement, making enthusiastic plans, being eager to go into action, and feeling happy about the things to come. You are about to discover a passion in your life. That's when the good times roll. Experiencing joy makes you appreciate life. You feel the power to keep advancing. Your life becomes peaceful and love is flooding in. Now you are on top of the world. Keep in mind, it is more important to improve your emotions in small incremental steps than stressing out about jumping from feeling terrible to dancing in the streets. You should choose the advancement over fundamental change. It's easier to change from being angry to entertaining worried thoughts. Give up on the idea that you have to be sitting on top of the mountain when you are lying in a ditch. Start climbing, one step at a time. So it seems not that great of achievement. It really makes a difference and is in most cases the natural evolvement of emotions from desperation to joy. You have to understand that you are capable of all those feelings. There are no limits. The limits exist only while you create them for yourself, through your forms of thinking and your beliefs, those you hold about yourself. Once you grasp the possibility that good feelings are available for you to experience, there is nothing in the world that can stop you. You are the creator of your reality. Choose how to advance from one feeling to the next, raising your vibration. You are able to experience happiness without doubt. That is the most important belief you should take away from this video. You do not have to eliminate negative emotions, but develop awareness of them and consciously choose to focus on those with higher vibrations. Surrender to what is. Become the observer who let things happen without judgment or interference. See for yourself how life changes from low vibrations to high frequency vibrations. Those new expectations convert your life into a pleasurable experience. Life is full of passion and joy. That is true for you as it is for everyone else. Once you reach the higher vibes, you are bathing in bliss. Even the happiness or success of others will be a cause for your pleasure once you feel good about yourself. You are the shining light that makes life worth living. Others will love to be in your company. Magic is about to happen. Om, peace, peace, peace.